The one that people often complain about, saying that it causes infertility, is the, what is this? Depo, the 3-month injection. So it takes time. It often takes time to get out of your system. Imagine you've been injecting this thing for 2, 5, 10 years. You know, you've been injecting this thing for 10 years. Now you want to have a baby. You're not gonna be, you are not gonna not gonna have the baby immediately. Some people, the misconception is that when you get off contraceptions, you should have the baby now. With pills, we can expect that. But with the injection, we try to tell you, we give it time. There is also something that we advise, is that don't inject for too long, or don't take contraceptives for too long. Take a break at least 3 years. After 3 years, give your body some time to breathe and just regulate itself again, and to prevent some of these side effects, like the one that, like the infertility one. It's not infertility exactly, but yeah, it's something like
Delayed
delayed fertility. Yes, that's a good way to put it. Delayed fertility.